Managing your rates effectively can make all the difference. Today, we'll focus on setting up derived rates for OTAs and Preno, perfect for adjusting your pricing strategy for seasonality or upcoming special events. Let's jump in by clicking Rates. This is where the magic happens. You can see your room types and the base rates you've previously set up. To add the derived rate, click Configure, then add another rate. Select Derived. We'll name this rate OTA for simplicity. Now, we're going to derive this rate from the base, increasing it by a percentage. Let's say the OTA commission is 15%, which is pretty standard for OTAs in the industry. We'll add that on top. Don't forget to set the minimum nights if required. And there it is, your OTA derived rate is now 15% above your base rate. Watch how easy it is to update your rates. Let's adjust the base rate for March to $150 across all the days. Notice how the derived OTA rate updates automatically too. This saves you the hassle of updating each rate individually. For multiple updates, the bulk rate update is a massive time saver. Select the rates, choose the dates, and apply the changes all at once. Now, just a heads up, the extra guest rate applies only to bookings you enter in Preno and won't be pushed through to your OTA or booking engine. And there you go. With Preno, managing your OTA rates is efficient, letting you focus on what you do best, hosting your guests. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're always here to help.